Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the bid strategy type in Google Ads for a given campaign. Now, to be able to do this, what you need to do is down the left-hand side where it says campaigns, expand that open and click campaigns. From here, you need to locate the campaign that you want to change the strategy type on. For example, I'm going to do this coaching lead gen one, and you need to go to where it has the settings cog just to the right of the campaign name. Go ahead and click on that. This is going to load up the settings for this campaign, and as you can see, there is a section right here called bidding, and this is going to have our bid strategy type on it. At the moment, it's currently set to maximize clicks, but if we drop this down, we can actually go ahead and click change bid strategy, and I can change my strategy from clicks to conversions. And of course, we can add some additional settings to it, but once we are happy with the change, we can go ahead and click save. And this has now changed the bid strategy type on your Google Ads account. Hope this video helped, and I will see you in the next one.